Welcome back everyone to the second part of this video. So in this part we'll be talking about how to add caption and a little bit of color grading. Like for example, in this video you want to add subtitle to it, you press text here, then you see option of adding text, adding stickers, add auto caption, text templates, auto lyrics and draw. So for this example that we have to do here, press auto caption and then automatically it will bring the template for us. So this is the pro here. This one too is pro, but I'll use this free mode here and I'll press start, then start. It will generate the caption for this video right here. So the caption has already been generated by itself. So let's see. So this is how it looks like. Well, you have to play the video fully to make sure the caption rhymes with what the speaker is saying. Or if you have a little mistake, maybe you need to like change some things there. You press on the subtitle text, then you press this icon that looks like pencil. That's for editing what you think is not okay in it. So after editing, you press OK. Or for example, add effect here. It will load here. So these are the effects. These are the effects you are seeing here, or animation. Animation is just like adding life to an image. So sound. You see the way this is just the preview. If you feel like you want to interpret, you know that kind of type of whether you are typing and then the thing typing is just, then if you want to apply to it, it will be typing the same. It will be typing at the same. So we can equally add that one too. So let's add it, for example, and then it will be writing it as it's saying it, and then we feel there's necessity to like add to or change the kind of font they are using. Maybe you don't like this particular font. If you are dealing with something that has to do with let's say fashion, for instance, and then you have to like go for something like serif fonts. So you just have to click on the type of font you want. Maybe you are going for italic, or you are going for script font, or you're going for something corporate and you don't like the kind of font they use, you can equally change the font. Okay, I think that's all for adding subtitle. And if you feel there's another thing entirely you need to add that is not even part of what is saying in the subtitle. There's this part when you're watching a video on YouTube and then suddenly it brings this stuff like that they say like, subscribe, and subscribe and comments. You used to see it very often when you're playing video on YouTube. And you feel you need to add something like that is not even related to the video, for instance. So just okay, let's say you are using this font, for example, this elegant font. I want to change the color or the style. You come here, you change the color to whatever color you want, like, subscribe, and comment, for instance. You had it, and you feel you put it here, you put it here. Let's say okay, for instance, just for instance, and you feel you want the like, subscribe, and comment to show in particular section of the video. You can just drag from where you read it from. You can just drag and then put it in the place you want it to appear. Maybe you want it to appear when after 5 seconds after the video has started playing. See, you just drag 5 seconds after the video starts playing. This is 5 seconds here. You drag here to this point and then you drop 5 seconds, and you want it to appear for only maybe 5 seconds, sorry, 5 seconds here. This is 5 after 4, and then you want it to show for only 2 seconds to 7 here. So if you're playing the video, it will show. So it shows here. So that's it, for instance. And then you want it to show at the end also. You just highlight this part, and then you copy. After copy, you move the one that you copy, you drag it, and then move it to the particular time you want it to show again, maybe at the end of the video, at the end. So you just put it there, and then when it's done, it will show again. Like, subscribe, and comment. You see it at the top, you see it. So that's it. So if you want to style this one also, you highlight it and you move to style, and then you put your animation. Let's choose, look for a better animation this time around for this waving, and then okay. So next step, let's force it. So that's just how to add text and how to add the subtitle to videos. So we are moving to the second part, which is color grading. Color grading is just the adding effects, adding coloring, more coloring to your video. Maybe you want it to be more warmer, you want it to be cool, you want it to give this cinematic vibe, you want it to have this movie vibe, TV vibe, that kind of thing. So, or you want it to be black and white, or it depends on the kind of video you are making. So, it is all color grading. So, for color grading, just you at the bottom bar of the CapCut app here, you see the filter. You click on the filter. After clicking on the filter, you see the filter here. It should load. After loading, then you see live, landscape. This is for the landscape. It should load here. Let's see landscape. This is movie. This is mono. This is black and white. This is retro. This is night scene. So if I feel this video, you want it something like a night scene, something, you can just click on the one that you want, and then automatically it will add the effect to the video that you're working on. So let's allow it to load. So you see it added it. So but I don't like this effect. I'm just showing it to you. I want something like this. So I think this is cool. And then okay. So for this clip, if I want to change I don't like this effect again, and I feel like changing it, then I'll come to this clip also, and then I'll go to filter. Maybe I want something like black and white effect. I'll go to filter again, and then I'll go to mono, and then I'll add the black and white effect that I want. You see, or or this or this. Let's go for this. Just for the sake of this video, as we are going, you keep on explaining for that and for that. So I come to this clip again. I come here. I want it maybe landscape. Let's see, clear or green lake. Let's see. Let's go for clear. Let's go for this. Let's see this also. You see, just for the sake of this video, let's go. Let's go. Let's just go for something. Just to explain the video.
Videos probably they say 98. We brainstorm what they a month or two.
If you feel the effect we are seeing here is not in relation to what you really wanted, or is too much for you to, you can actually adjust. Just come to adjust here, So in the adjust, you have the option of contrast, you have the option of brightness, you have the option of saturation, exposure, sharpening, and then graph. So for this brightness, it's just to increase the brightness of the video. For contrast, it's just to increase and the light and dark effect. And for saturation, is just for the coloring of the video. Exposure and sharpening is just to make your video look clearer and hot. So if you feel the third one that we use is not in relation to what you really wanted in the video, you can just come and adjust here. And then we have this video quality too, just to I don't reduce the noise image or to remove flickers and all to source approve version. So you just okay. And if you are satisfied with what you've edited, you just okay. And that's all for color grading. I'd like you guys to like, to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you all.
We work on videos probably 3 to 4 months in advance, but before that, like there's an ideation where we brainstorm what they are for a month or two. So from start to when they get uploaded, it's probably like 1 to 2 months coming up with the idea, 3 to 4 months working on the idea, and then a couple weeks filming, and then like 3 weeks editing. So probably 5 months from start to finish. 2 years ago, we were spending 100 grand a video. Now we're spending probably 1.5 million a video.